Cougar Rush, Jamaica's new Olympic sport? TVJ's Smile Jamaica aired a segment titled Cougar Rush, Why Older Women Are Pursuing Boys. It's not just tabloid, it's sociology with a side of pepper sauce. The segment explored the rise of older women dating younger men, framing it as empowerment, exploration, and sometimes desperation. But the streets have questions. Is this liberation or a new hustle? Is age just a number or a strategy? From pension to prom, Jamaica's dating pool just got Olympic lanes. Cougar Rush? Sounds like a new Grace Kennedy product. If love is blind, age is apparently wearing contacts. This isn't just about romance, it's about power, perception, and shifting norms. Are older women reclaiming agency, or just remixing patriarchy? Is the rush mutual or market-driven? This was a Bulletin Board commentary. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel.